Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some really exciting mail. One of my subscriber friends here on YouTube got in touch with me last week and asked me if she could send me something, and I said sure. So I gave her my address, and she sent me a tracking number and I could keep track of it. Well, the package arrived today, and I thought she was just sending me like just some, goodie stuff. And turns out she's making nail polish. So she has sent me her first collection, and I wanted to show you. It was wrapped in a nice bubble mailer, and then each polish was wrapped on its own, and it's got little thank you for your purchase stickers on them. So I'm going to get these all open and some swatch sticks ready, and we're going to check out these polishes. I will have a link for her store site down below. Her name is Janet. And so let's just get into it and see what she's done. Alrighty, a little bit more info. These polishes are called MJ Lacquer, and they are in 15 ml bottles, and we will go through them here shortly. All polishes are tin-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. You can get 20% off with discount code GRAND OPENING through Saturday, February 22nd. At 11:59 p.m. So I will have all that information listed down below. This collection is called the Motown Favorites Collection, and I'm just going to hop right on in. This first one, the red polish, is called Going to a Go-Go. It's inspired by Smokey Robinson's hit song. It's a reddish-orange jelly polish with rainbow flakies, gold hollow, and yellow hex glitter. Oh, I can't wait to swatch these. This green one here is called 3 Times a Lady, and it was inspired by Lionel Richie's hit song. It's a green jelly polish with iridescent chameleon and gold glitter and fantasy green flakies. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, this next one is a thermal, and it's called What's Going On. And this one was inspired by Marvin Gaye's hit song. And this is a thermal that transitions to orange when cold and yellow when it's in its warm state. This polish also has red and gold UCC flakies and a touch of light micro flakies. Gold micro flakies. Oh my goodness. This next one is kind of like a salmon pink, and it's called Baby Love. Oh. And it's inspired by Diana Ross's hit song. It's a pink base color with loads of light gold micro flakies. Alrighty, and then we have this beautiful blue one, and it's called Cloud 9, and it was inspired by the Temptations hit song. It's a blue polish with a neon pink flakies, white and violet shimmer, and gold micro flakies. Y'all, these are just stunning. They're taking my breath away. They're so pretty. And this last one is called Quiet Storm, and it's inspired by Smokey Robinson's hit song. And it's a purple polish with violet and copper shimmer, a mix of various iridescent and hex glitters, black, yellow, and copper. And it also contains fantasy rainbow flakies and red and gold UCC flakies. So I've got my swatch sticks ready. I've already put labels on them, and we're going to swatch these out. Alrighty, so here we got Going to a Go-Go. I love this jelly polish with all that. I mean, it's got little teeny tiny glitters in it, and and then look at this, 3 Times a Lady. So I am going to go ahead and tell you that I end up doing 3 coats of all of them. And this is the thermal, What's Going On. Loving these. And then we have Baby Love. Now y'all know I've got a soft spot for pink polish. And then Cloud 9. And they're all sheer on the first coat, but a lot of them are jellies or jelly-like, so you know, you get what you get with jellies. And then we've got Quiet Storm. But the thing about jellies is that's what makes them look so amazing when you're done, is that layering. Oh. And then we're going to go in with our second coat of Going to a Go-Go. Love those little circle glitters. Yes. So juicy. And then 3 Times the Lady. Second coat makes it look really good. And you could get away with 2 coats with some of these, depending on your nail length and the whiteness of your tips. Oh, and then Baby Love. I'm telling you, I love all the shimmers in this collection. My kind of polishes. And then Cloud 9. Nice formulas, very smooth, not bumpy at all. And then Quiet Storm. You would think with all that goodiness in there that it would be more bumpy, but it really wasn't. And then Going to a Go-Go on the 3rd coat. I will have a swatch photo right after the swatch. And I did put top coat on my swatch photo pictures. Look at that. Yum. And then 3 Times the Lady, 3rd coat for it. And just like the other one, we will have some top coat on this swatch picture. Oh, look at that. And then we have What's Going On. Oh, so hard to pick favorites. I really love all of them. So here's What's Going On, orange, and then yellow, and then kind of in between. I wanted to show you all of it. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we've got Baby Love. This is just so soft and pretty. I love this one. And then finally, no, not finally, we're not at the end yet, girl. We got Cloud 9, 3rd coat of it. And I'm trying to be a little more nice with the coat. And there's the swatch photo of it. And then finally, Quiet Storm. This one's just got so much going on in it. How neat. So I will have a link for MJ Lacquer down below. I would love for you to go check them out and give them some support and show some love. I want to thank you all for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.